This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
Let's head to Tunisia now. A Tunisian insurer called Assurances Maghrebia has now moved closer to a public listing, and that's after the Tunisian Stock Exchange approved its admission in the market. The Tunisian Bourse has not had a new listing for over a year now. Listing of the 47-year-old company is seen as a welcome move to help kickstart activity. Here's CGTN's Adnan Ashaushi reporting.
Leading Tunisian insurance provider Assurance Maghrebia is set to be listed on the main board of Tunisia's stock exchange in the fourth quarter of this year. Shareholders of the insurer had earlier approved the company's decision to expand the company's capital in July. Maghrebia achieved a consolidated turnover of 236 million dinars, around $86.7 million, which represents a rise of 8.4% compared to the same period last year. The company also posted a consolidated profit result of 8.5 million dinars.
After 47 years of activity in the insurance sector, Maghrebia Group has enough experience to open its capital to the public and list its securities in the Tunis Stock Exchange. The goal is to concretize new development opportunities on the long term. Thus, Assurances Maghrebia will reinforce its visibility and transparency.
The group's general manager added that the company seeks, through the public listing, to tap into the additional sources of funds and strengthen its position as one of the leading insurers in the North African country.
Maghrebia will offer 30% of its capital to the public. The overall offer is to trade 1,350,000 shares. The initial public offering before the end of this year will reinforce the strength of the insurance industry and the Maghrebia Group in general.
Experts view the planned public offer and subsequent listing on the stock market as an opportunity for Maghrebia Group to continue its growth, despite the challenges posed by the second wave of the pandemic.
The negative impact of the coronavirus crisis on insurance companies in Tunisia has remained limited. The public listing of Assurance Maghrebia shows that the repercussions of the pandemic in the first 6 months of 2020 did not totally paralyze the economy. Maghrebia's move will certainly have a positive impact on the financial market in Tunisia.
Assurance Maghrebia has distributed 5.3 million dinars, around $1.95 million of dividends to shareholders, which amounts to 45% of the insurer's earnings this year. Assurance Maghrebia is one of the three leading players in insurance and reinsurance in Tunisia. After more than a year without a new listing, players in the market are hopeful of closing the year with a new entrant on the stock exchange, despite the uncertainty caused by the COVID-19 crisis. Adnan Ashaushi, CGTN, Tunis.